Watching KTN Prime, let's continue informing you. Now, a third Kenyan officer has died in Haiti in a road accident during a recovery operation in Pétionville area.
The death follows that of an officer who was killed in February and another one who has been missing in action since March this year. As
Finiko Loch now reports, a section of Kenyans are questioning the justification of having Kenyan police in the troubled nation.
The National Police Service confirmed that one officer was killed and 8 others injured, 3 critically, when 2 marked pro vehicles collided during a tow on the Kensoft Pétionville Road Sunday evening. 2 Haitian civilians also lost their lives. The officer's name has not yet been disclosed. This is the second casualty and a case of missing officer tied to the mission. Samuel Tompoe Kaituai was killed in February ambush in Abitonit. Benedict Kuria, on the other hand, is missing since March near Pont Sunday, with conflicting reports about his fate. Families say lack of transparency in government has deepened their pain. Kaituai's death was confirmed and his body repatriated, but Kuria's relatives are still waiting for answers caught between conflicting accounts. With 8 officers injured in the latest crash, questions are mounting. How safe is this mission? And is the government doing enough to support the men and women it sent thousands of miles away? Some have suggested that the Kenyan officers should return home. Finiko Loch, KTN.
Coming back home, police